Computer science videos here today to show you guys in this tutorial how to start a conversation on Microsoft Teams using a Mac computer. Without further ado, let us start the video. So in this tutorial, you need to have access to a Mac computer, an account for Microsoft Office 365. Now this can be for work, school, or business. We also need to have access to the desktop application. So we can now go all the way down to the dock. Go to Launchpad, go to Mac Office, go to the desktop application Microsoft Teams. Make sure you are signed into the account. And so go to the left hand side navigation menu, go to Chat. Now go to the right corner within Chat, click on New Chat. And now let's type a name. In this case, let's just type the main account name for myself. Click on this, and now let's start a new conversation. I'll just say hello. Enter. I am looking at this simultaneously on my mobile phone. The admin has said hello to myself. Let's reply hello back. And as you can see on screen, it shows that I am typing, or in this case, the individual that I am connected with is typing. And there we go, hello coming back. I can now reply using these quick replies. How was your day? Double tap to react. Reply with great, and so on and so on. So that's how you start a conversation, interact with one another using Teams. And so we can quit Microsoft Teams. And so that's it for this video. I'll see you guys in my next tutorial. Thanks for now. Thank you for making it towards the end of the video. Be sure to subscribe to my channel, Computer Science Videos. Be sure to check out the previous video on screen now. Or you can ideally click on the playlist and watch all the journey for Computer Science videos from the start until now.